Guys, this is Daniel Alexander Cannon here on Logic Before Authority. We are looking at up here, and you're going to get a better view of it here in a second, but we have military aircrafts circling the spy balloon, and the spy balloon is right in the center of the screen. See that white dot? Right there. That is the so-called spy balloon. Whether it's the truth of who put it up there or what, it is here over approximately the east coast of South Carolina, about where Litchfield, South Carolina is. Right there, you can see it. Alright, I'm going to back up, go to another spot where it can be seen better. At least I can see it a little bit better back here. Just a minute ago. I'll show you some more. Just happened to get a call, somebody saying it was in the sky. Yep, there it is. Oh, where's it at? There it is. And it has F16, what looks like F16 aircrafts circling it, and they're leaving smoke trails around it so that way it will be intentionally noticed from the ground. They are doing that in order to make sure the people on the ground see this thing. See, you can see the smoke trails, the circles where they've been circling it, and there's more. There's about three or four military aircrafts off to the right, out of the screen to the right now. I don't know exactly what's going on here, but the fact that this is being seen, and even seen by me around all over the country right now, they're definitely up to something, some type of propaganda event. I don't believe for a second that this is actually made in China and China released it spying on us. I just don't believe it. I think that this is them doing something to try to get a reaction from the people. You know, problem, reaction, solution. They use that all the time when they want to manipulate the masses. Problem, China spy balloon flying over the country. And you notice the clouds are moving past it, the smoke rings. They're moving past it. And it's staying in one spot at a higher elevation. Alright, I'm going to upload this video, and then I'm going to try to go to a different location, maybe to the beach, where I can have a complete open sky and be able to see it. I don't think it's going to get away very quick. Not to mention you got military aircraft circling it over and over. So I'll give you another update in a few minutes. If you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe. If you like the truth and you like alternate views of events that are happening in the world around us. This is Daniel Alexander Cannon here on Logic Before Authority.